Because Shendu Dev versus the Union of India and others for the petitioner Sri Munna Prasad Dikshit.
May please. The short question involved in this case, my lord. The short question involved in this case is, my lord, the petitioner was appointed to the post of constable in the Railway Protection Force, my lord, in the grade pay of 2000. In the grade pay of 2000, initial recruitment grade of constable is 2000. He got before coming into in the higher pay scale of 2400. The petitioner was declared medically unfit in the year 2011. Thereafter,
No, when he was appointed?
he was appointed on 23rd December 1998.
In the grade pay of 2000.
In 2000.
When the 2400 grade pay was given?
He was granted grade pay of in 2012.
2012.
12.
When he was declared as medically unfit?
He was declared medically unfit, my lord, on 27th October 2011, before reaching in the grade pay of 2400.
For the purpose of extending 2004 grade pay, what is the criteria?
My lord, a person has to complete a 12 year service.
Where is that, those criteria? Where is that policy or criteria?
Because MSCP scheme was there, my lord, SCP and MSCP, my lord, it was not under dispute, that's why it has not bring on record, my lord.
No, without examining, we have to verify whether a medically unfit person is entitled to grade pay of 2400 or not. Is it one of the conditions in the criteria we have to verify? No. Without that, how are you entitled?
But I have enclosed the copy of rule, my lord, of medical declaration, where if a person is continuing on a particular
Sir,
post and grade.
question is that you are entitled to 2004 grade pay or not. For that purpose, certain criteria has been laid down in an executive order or rules or something else. Where is the document?
My lord. That document is, my lord, on record, my lord. Your lordship may have a look to the order, my lord, at page running page 135.
Running page?
134. It is a railway board's order in the bottom, 8899. At page 134 in the bottom.
So where is the grade pay of 2400 extension?
In this manner, it has not been mentioned. Before that,
So
I have.
How can we decide the matter?
I have obtained grade pay of 2004 under MSCP rule, my lord.
How do you explain para 4 of the order? Please go through para 4 of the order.
My lord. We have heard the argument of the learned counsel for the parties at length and have also perused the pleadings. Admittedly, applicant after his medical declaration has to be given alternative appointment. The respondents have tried to accommodate him in the security department by giving him alternative placement as junior clerk, however, has lesser grade pay of 1900. The respondents, however, have taken cognizance of the fact that pay of the applicant is required to be protected. Therefore, they have decided to protect the grade pay of the applicant at rupees 2400 by exercising their powers under paragraph 1308, 1309, 13110 of IRM Volume 1. We are of the view that this is a fair action on the part of the respondents. We would like to observe that in order to settle such anomalous situation in its ministries and department, the central government had often restored to grant a personal pay so that government servants concerned do not suffer any financial loss.
So,
now, this assertion, if your lordship pleases to see, one annexure I will place before lordship, Miller. That is annexure 4, page 50 of the petition, Miller.
Sir, you are in the cadre of a junior clerk?
No, I was initially appointed in the grade pay of 2000.
In the
1998.
98, you are in the grade pay scale of 2000.
2000.
As a constable.
And a constable.
due to medical issue, you have been you have been posted as a junior
Junior clerk in grade pay of 1900.
1900.
Ji.
Now the 2000 pay will be protected. That has been done.
Now
Yes.
in 2012 I went to in the grade pay of 2400.
In which year?
In 2400 admittedly in the impugned order itself.
2004 in 2400 rupees.
2012 I am in grade pay of
In
2004
which year, sir?
to 2012.
How can you? When as on 2012, you are holding the post of junior clerk.
2011 to
I was holding the post of junior clerk in 2011
Correct.
after medical declaration. Thereafter, Millard, I was given a grade pay of 2400. I went before the learned
Show
tribunal.
me the order that they have extended you 2400 grade pay.
I will show that. I may be allowed 2 weeks time to file supplementary. Millard. And another very important factor, the railway has given annexure 4. Now, there is no post of junior clerk even in that department. How a person can be...
Have you challenged junior clerk appointment?
Yes, yes.
Where is the challenge?
In the OA itself.
Show me. On what date you have been posted as a junior clerk?
Millard. On 5 to 2018.
5 to
2018.
2018.
Millard.
How can it be 2018?
Kindly have a look to page 76.
You are
Page
not
7.
giving the facts of the case properly.
I am giving, I again giving Millard.
Sir, when were you reverted to the posted as a junior clerk?
I am giving the certain dates. My date of appointment is Millard 23rd December 1998 as a constable in RPF in grade pay of 2000. On 16/5/2011, the petitioner was medically declared.
16/11/2011.
16 May 2011. He was medically declared by the medical board and he was recommended for sedentary job. On 19/10/2011, Respondents Authority conducted a screening test on the basis of medical board advice for adjusting the petitioner Millard against alternative appointment.
All right, what happened thereafter?
Thereafter, Millard, the authority has recommended him for the post of technician on 7/5/2015. 7/5/15, that is annexure 2, page 73.
Sir, from 1910-2011, you are holding which post? From 1910-2011.
1910-11 to 17/10/2011, I was allowed to perform the duty of junior clerk.
1910-2011 to 15.
27/10/11. Thereafter, in 2012, the petitioner was granted grade pay scale of 2,400 under MSCP scheme. Which post is of senior clerk? Grade pay of 2400 is a post of senior clerk.
They protected your pay scale. You were there as a junior clerk.
Millard. Initially,
But your pay scale was protected. Don't say that because it is 2400, so you were head clerk.
now they
or
are
senior
saying,
clerk.
just I clarify, first I give the dates, Millard. Thereafter, Millard, on 7/5/2015, white page 73, the petitioner was approved for permanent absorption to the post of technician instead of junior clerk. That is 7/5/15, page 73.
Now,
He-
now show me from the material where is the challenge to the challenge in respect of posting you as a junior clerk in the pay scale of
Millard, just I am coming, Millard. Two dates are more, Millard. Thereafter, 7/5/15 order was challenged by the petitioner to the before the learned tribunal by OA number 5112 of 15, which was decided on 14th November 17.
Annexer?
with direction to the respondent's authority to consider his absorption against a ministerial category.
Annex, sir.
That order is not there. Thereafter, the railway authority has considered him against junior clerk is a ministerial category post. Thereafter, by annexure 3, page 76, the petitioner was absorbed against the post of junior clerk. Kindly, Your Lordship, may have a look to page 76. That will clarify.
What is the date of absorption of junior clerk?
5/2/2018. That is page 76, running page 76.
You have challenged this?
I have challenged, Milad. That was the challenge before the learned tribunal. Page 76 may have a look, Milad. And my name appears, Milad, at serial number 17 at running page 77. Because kindly have a look, Milad. My grade pay has also been mentioned there at page 77 at serial number 17.
On ministerial cadre, which is the equivalent to constable?
No need. Junior clerk is below the constable.
All right, sir. Which is the equivalent cadre according to you?
Senior clerk.
Show me the scale. Where is the rules of recruitment?
Because junior clerk is 1900. Admittedly, it is 1900.
Sir, when you are saying that junior clerk is lesser than the constable cadre, is it not your duty to apprise this code, which is the equivalent cadre?
I will bring by way of supplementary, Milad.
For everything you want supplementary, go on adding papers.
The challenge was on two grounds, Milad. First ground was, Milad, that I can't be adjusted against the lesser pay to the grade pay of 2,400.
Sir, for that purpose only you have to produce necessary material to show that constable post is executive cadre, ministerial cadre is clerk cadre. According to you, constable pay scale is equivalent to senior clerk. You have to produce so that we can ask them why you could not be accommodated in the senior clerk post.
And whether you have filed any rejoinder to the counter affidavit.
In the counter affidavit, they have brought the same thing, Milad. They have not brought any new fact.
No, in para 15, this court has already rejected identical matters. What is your reply to that?
What you have to say about that?
The order has been enclosed, Milad. Just I am reading, Milad. That order, perhaps it is also not against them, Milad.
Identical matter is already decided by this court in terms of para 15 of the counter.
They have withdrawn, Milad. They have said person withdrawn.
Equivalent to dismissal, not dismissal is withdrawn. The orders are there. The copy must be with you. You have not filed any rejoinder to this. Similar situated matters stands dismissed.
Because that has been withdrawn. These petitions were withdrawn, Milad. I will file.
So equivalent to dismissal of the case.
Whether, Milad, they have been again adjusted or not, Milad, I can't say.
You
Milad,
have to file rejoinder to this.
I may be allowed 2 weeks time. I file rejoinder, bringing all the documents.
3 supplementary.
With great respect, I am saying, Milad.
We'll admit the case.
As well.
has clearly stated that the case was
The senior clerk carries the same place. Department must come and say as to why petitioner could not be accommodated against a senior clerk post, which is equivalent to constable at this age. No, for that purpose only.
They are not given the responsibility some purpose for which is may activity to that senior. That's why we need to be able to face to she was very these assistant for senior only because they must be added advantage to them. Otherwise the full of the case is to provide me to the must have also not given the same we must have given the option. We have to choose the you can proceed.
The petitioner has not filed rejoinder to the counter affidavit to his term. He is at liberty to file. Admitted.
Oblige.